Hi everyone and welcome back to page Multimedia Rise. I am Sotheany and today we are going to continue to learn about lesson 18. And this video we will learn 5 words. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is passport. Passport. Passport we can spell P-A-S-S-P-O-R-T. Passport. For example, we cannot go to other country without passport. We cannot go to other country without passport. Passport. The second word is luggage. Luggage. Luggage we spell L-U-G-G-A-G-E. Luggage. For example, I bought a new luggage before trip. I bought a new luggage before trip. Luggage. And the third word is bus station. Bus station. Bus station we can spell B-U-S-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Bus station. For example, we have to wait for the bus at the bus station. We have to wait for the bus at the bus station. Bus station. And the fourth word is train station. Train station. Train station we can spell T-R-A-I-N-S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Train station. For example, there is a train station near my house. There is a train station near my house. Train station. And the last word is airport. Airport. Airport we can spell A-I-R-P-O-R-T. Airport. For example, we have to go to the airport 1 hour before the flight. We have to go to the airport 1 hour before the flight. Airport. Okay, now we will repeat it again from the first word. Passport. Passport. Luggage. Luggage. Bus station. Bus station. Train station. Train station. Airport. Airport. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your time and attention, and please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, we will drop a link for you. Okay, bye bye and see you in the next video. God bless you.